any color of the font and please donate in Roblox. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're first going to actually claim a stand if you haven't already, and click E to edit it. This piece of code will actually be in the description, so make sure to copy and paste it. So when you copy and paste it, you will see multiple things that are available to change. This code is very, very simple. Now, if you want to actually change the font and keep it to the font that I would like to change it, you just apply it. But if you want to change it even further, make sure to click Edit again and keep the code that is there. You're then going to go onto Google and go onto Roblox font faces. If you want a different font, there are tons that can be used on Roblox. To change it, pick whichever one you would like to change, for example, Antique, and copy and paste it. You're going to go back to Roblox and copy and paste it right here, but make sure to keep the quotations around it. You apply it, and your text will change once again. Now, if you want to change the color, all you have to do is similarly go on to Google and click Color Picker. You're going to find whatever color you would like and copy and paste the color code into your Roblox code again. So for example, you're going to put the color code right here. I'm going to keep it as pink since I like it, but that's all you have to do. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.